Many times I'm asked the question, what makes a personal injury case unique? Well, there's different types of them. Part one I would call a premise liability claim. This is when you enter someone's property and get injured. Florida's unique because we treat you as a class of citizen, and you're either, one, a trespasser. You have no rights. The landowner does not have to do anything but to make sure they don't have some type of device that may shoot you when you go on there. They have no duty to make it safe because he doesn't know you're there. The second type of person is a social invitee. Frank invites you over to watch the Super Bowl, and I have a dock that has a wooden staircase to the top of it. I know the termites are in there. I should have fixed it. I elected not to do that. I owe you a duty as a social invitee to make sure that there's nothing unreasonable there, and I need to make corrections when necessary. The third type, which is what I see the most of, is called a business invitee. You go into Walmart to spend money. You are a business invitee. They owe you a duty to make sure there is nothing unsafe there. It's been interpreted by the statutes and through the case law that they need to check the aisles on a 15 to 20 minute basis. That's why when you're in these big department stores, you'll hear assistant managers do your aisle checks. They're going up and down the aisles to see if there's the banana peel, a wet spot, something of that nature. So these are difficult cases to prove, and it requires the attorney and the plaintiff to work hard to get photographs, to go back in there, to see if that situation existed before or afterwards. Maybe find a disgruntled employee that filed a workers' comp case against that store 5 months ago who will say, yeah, that had been there a number of times and it kept happening and they didn't fix it. These are the types of things in premise liability cases that you got to look at.